That's an amazing difference. Today I'm going to detail very briefly how to change the sanding pad on the DWE6423 sander, orbital sander from Dewalt. If you are worried about it being difficult, watch this video. It's a 30-second job. As you can see, this one's got virtually no adhesion at all. It's worn all the way around the edges. There's a bit of wear in the middle. So we're going to quickly change it. We need a T20 star bit. And we just undo the 4 bolts. Now I've gone for an aftermarket part. I think it was about £9. I got mine on eBay, but I'll put a link to the same one on Amazon. And I think on there it's about £9 or £8. But this one's seen better days for sure. This one's, the original one has a plastic backing, and I've only just found this out because it's the first time I've taken it off. The one that I'm replacing it with's got a metal backing. I believe the cheap Chinese replacements, the plastic they use is very weak, so very quickly they wear out and you're buying 2 at a time, but I think you replace them so quick it's pointless, and I've heard that the metal back ones are much more reliable, so we're going to try that. Doesn't seem to be a correct way other than to line the screw holes up. Or maybe there is. No, it's gone. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. And that is it. It is as simple as that. Tighten the bolts up, put the new pad on, and I can already tell that that's stuck to the edges a lot stronger. So a quick clean up with some white spirit and a blowout with the air hose, and it's looking as good as new. And there you go. A tool that I'd been saving up to replace, looking much better and working as good as the day I bought it. If you found the video useful, please hit the like button. For more woodworking content, check out this video right here.